Hey, what's up? It's Panupon, and welcome to my game project. I'm making a video game using Unity Engine. I'm a solo game dev, so enjoy the show. And right now, I'm working on the status page. Almost done. All right. Okay. I'm not sure if you see the cursor. You see the cursor here. Right. So, is that a cursor over there? No, no cursor. Okay. Let me hide and show it again. Oh, there we go. All right. Now you see the cursor already. Okay. Okay. Cool. All right. So this is info. Okay. I'm gonna move XP before next XP. Yes. XP next. If I put just next, that's okay. Cool. So start info script. Let me show. Let me show the next XP after that. Can I use this? Just next. What do they do in Elden Ring? So in Elden Ring, they use the word needed, hold it, needed, XP. If I'm gonna use EXP. Runes, everything is runes. That's cool. Should I use money to buy that experience? No, you can't use money to buy experience. Experience needed, experience held it. No, I'll just show experience and next. EXP, yeah. And next, you understand that XP next. Okay, I have to start put some description in all this, all these attributes here. So that's your name, classes, and the character is actually character. Yeah. Or you can call it the subclass. No. Yeah, type of the character. So type of the class. So class is pirate, and pirate they have many type of pirate. So for example, this one is corsair. And we have okay. So level, alright, XP. XP is the current XP you have, and I wanna show what we need for the next level. So XP needed. Maybe XP needed. Let me try to decide here. EXP maybe EXP needed. How about that? I think it's too long. Or just next. Next. Just like that. Next EXP. How about it? Okay. Use next EXP then. I think it's not gonna. Okay, use next EXP. Next EXP. So level and then XP. Alright. And then next XP. This is better. level exp. Next exp. Current exp. exp here. Okay, I think next XP come first. So we see what we need first, and then see what we have. So what we need, so level, and then what we need, and then what we have. Alright. And if I need more than that, how about that? Almost million. Still okay. Okay, I'm gonna stick with this one. Okay, let's stick with this. Next XP and then XP. Okay, sounds good. Alright, cool. So take level, cut level. I got it. Level 0 right now. But default should be 1. So what can I do with it? So what I can do, I'm gonna do at when we get the data from the database. So start with player here. I get data from the database right here. And if I wanna check, to set the base level, I have to do something like this. So this one attribute, I get the maximum number. Mean if it's 0, that means we're gonna use the base value instead. So I'm gonna do the same thing with character level here. So character level, when I get it, start level, okay, it's 0 when we don't have any data. So do we need a base stat master, right? Stat master. In stat master, I don't have anything about level here. So that means I should put something about level in here as well. Stat master. Stat. Stat. Okay. Maybe I use that for level and XP as well. And now I have to calculate how many XP I need for each level. Kinda headache. Kinda hassle now. Yeah, it have to. It has to be hassle for XP and level. Can't avoid that anyway. Okay, so maybe I need to set the minimum value, base value of level here. Level is not a big deal, right? Okay. What do we need in that stat? We need to check what type of it and base value of it. Yeah, we need base value. And that's just all the stat, so I don't want to touch them. Alright, seem like that. I can do something like this. In case we don't have any data yet, I can just set that to 1, just like that. And XP can be 0, that's fine. And how can I know what is the next level? Is right. That means I need something to store that each XP for each level required. And maximum level is what? Start with 1. Now I have to start thinking now. So I start with 1 level. Start with level 1. And then I have 99 times, 98 times to increase for 6 attributes. So 98 multiplied by 6 is 588. Plus 1 gonna be 589. Level 589. Level 589. And I'm not gonna manually put the XP for each level for sure. So that means I need a calculation for it, a formula for it. Yeah, I'm allow user to play until they reach level 188, up to them. But normally I think most of people should stop at 200 something. But that's fine. I'll make calculation for each level, but gonna make sure it's the night progression. Okay, this hide a headache. So for XP and level, I probably gonna do that later. Yeah, gonna do that later. So right now let's show the right value first, and level start from level 1. Okay, I just set min max then. Yeah, so minimum and maximum is 589. There we go. Just set it right here, or set just private in minimum level, just like that, equal to 1. 589, it's a max. And if we want to change it later, so I set it here. How about that? Minimum level, maximum level. Yeah, set it at the player status. Yeah, that makes sense, I guess. Yeah, you set it here. And character XP. I'm gonna do a big calculation for that later. Class, okay. Type, okay. Can be index 0, 0, that's fine. Attribute point, okay. Yep. Yeah, they're gonna do calculation related to level. Level 1, level 2, you're gonna get one of each. And gonna check if you spend them or not. Okay, cool. Alright. Okay, let me go slow a little bit. Gonna check interface. So today I'm still late. But I try to adjust the time limit. And I eat too much. Okay. Maybe I need more sleep. Alright, let's see. I'm gonna put character head on that picture. That means I gotta grab that character and then maybe I just store it. That's it. Just store the image. Don't make it complicated. Why is level 0 again? Okay. Because okay, let me delete the file. It still save the file. Or another way is just check it back and forth. No matter it's from database or whatever, we have to make sure it get the right value. This one from database level. That's why. So I have just to make it sure that we have the right value. Just like that. Character class type, okay, XP current AP. Yeah, this way I don't have to delete my file. That's it. And that's okay to check it. Okay, class type, okay. I use the number, okay. And then I add it with the data here. That means when I first select it, I should have the number of it. Oh, sure. Yeah, we're gonna run through. That made me think that I should do the same thing with the item when I save it, because it's easy to get from the item master as well. If I store the index of the category and the type of the item as well, it's very easy to get it. So I have just to for loop only when we like add new item, but sometimes I manually add it as well. And when I manually add it, I don't know I don't know the index of it, so that can be a problem. Okay, now let's focus on get the right value, and maybe have to start working on character info more. That means I need a character. Now I need a image of it now. Yeah, I need an image of it, sprite image. Let's add a head in here. Let's add sprite image here. So it's a character image. Character class. Character image. Okay. So we have character image now. And then have to start to add the image. I just grab from the I have to just have to grab that from the sprite. Yeah, not a big deal. Right. Let's see. Now I only have one character. I mean in the character master right now. Class character master. I have one class. Character has I have one class and one character. Okay, so I have Corsair here. Okay, we don't need that type. We can get rid of that. And then we need sprite. So sprite, I'm gonna grab it from prefab, right? Okay, where did you get that prefab? Okay, for example, this one I had. Okay, it's in the sprite character. I just grab it from here. Alright, sounds good. So in character Corsair here, you just grab the sprite. Is that in the prefab folder? Prefab, no. I said no. Shit, I forgot it. Oh, it's right here. PNG. Okay, too many folder now, and I haven't organized. So let me check that again. Not in P5 minute. Text web part. Okay, let me double check this one once more. Okay, it's in asset and then supply it right away. Okay, cool. Okay, so supply right away. Alright, now my character, this one, finally. Sprite character head that. Okay, and then I need to grab that sprite image. So back to code. Gonna be status info here. And then I need to grab that sprite image. So let's use the okay. What I use in inventory info, I use what I use image. Okay, I'm gonna use the same pattern here. All right. Using UI. Character image. And set this character image to that dot sprite. So I save it in the character. Where is it? Right. Oh, I see. Class character. Yep. And then character image. There we go. So dot sprite, not set anything. Set image now. The sprite. That's cool. Right. So okay, let's see. So just have to grab the sprite here. You see, they come in pieces. I actually did some adjustment myself, like every character. So my development right now is for people that coming to watch it, it's gonna look boring because it's not a gameplay, it's kind of interface. But for me, it's not boring. It's not really boring. I still enjoy making it. So hope you enjoy it. Enjoy the show. Alright. So in this one, let's go to grab that image. Character image is a item image panel and image just like that. Yep. Alright, let's see. Do we get it right? So gonna go slow bit by bit, little bit at this point. It's about this side. We need to make sure it look good. Alright. Is that good enough? Should I move it a little bit? Put a head like that. Next XP. Okay, level 1. Should I even have a space of that? But I prefer if I don't have any space at all. What do you think? Okay, let's do that value as well. So, which one you prefer? Which one do you fancy? Yeah, maybe separate maybe. Right. With number and without number. With value and without value. You should separate. Alright. This should be better. Yeah, the only thing that gonna be different is just the first two lines up there. So the third, the three lines down there, they're gonna be the same, no matter character you play. But my head right now is look not in the middle here because I didn't adjust anything. Let's see I can change anything about that. No, this is in the middle already. Image is just like that. It's transparent, that's why. If I move it, it's gonna lost there. Or maybe I have just scale it smaller. Let's try scale it smaller, like 75%. How about that? How about that? Maybe 80%. Yeah. So I don't have to move it up and down. At least it's not close to the border of it. Okay, but I can't do this because it's gonna affect with the item. I can't do it here because it's gonna affect the image of the item as well. But if I don't do, it's gonna be like this. So, and it come like that. So I don't want to change it. And if I don't use this one, it's gonna, where am I gonna use it? Okay. Alright, maybe I separate the head somewhere else and change the center of it. Let me change the center of it. Can I set image something? Padding. Lay cast, no, not lay cast. Okay, I shouldn't lay cast target. I shouldn't check this one. Okay. Lay cast is just for when you want to interact with the image, but if not, you don't need to because it's gonna cost some performance there. And it's just too big. And it's not in the middle. If it's not in the middle, it will take the background off. How about that? It's too floating. Yeah, no good. So put the background back. I can resize the image using script. Can I? Let's see what I can do with this dot. Canvas depth view center view clockwise flexible height flexible width. What can I do with image? Okay, let me check document. Image adjust. Unity, no, not that. Okay, shit. Right. So today I'm not gonna do much then because I try to readjust my clock, my live clock a little bit. So today, so okay, I'll try to get it done as much as I can. Canvas, right? Canvas. Okay. Let me see if I set it. No, it's not gonna change anything. Shit, fuck it. Alright. So I can't do anything about that. But for the image, I shouldn't use lay cast at all. And all I can do is just change the scale, which is I don't want to. I just have to copy an image of the head somewhere else. Can I do that? Copy path. No. Create. So, sprite. Can I? 2D sprite. 2D sprite. Circle. Let me try square. Was it that? Okay, I just create something called square right here, and without image. Can I? What can I do with that? Sprite editor. No. Okay, I can't do like this. Right, delete that. Try to create a new sprite from that head. It seems like it's not available. Sprite library at last. Okay. How do I create sprite? Create new sprite. Square. Okay. And how can I put image in that? Aspect. Sprite editor. Custom. No, this is not how you do it. Okay, let me. I haven't done sprite for a long time. So let me check the document. Create sprite. Create sprite dot 2D sprite basic. How to create sprite. Okay. Let me see some example real quick. So drag image to access it. Okay, let's try copy and paste then. Can I do that? They don't allow me to copy the object of it. This one, import, export. How about this? Copy the part, create 2D assemble animation, no, rendering, URP asset, no, not this one, that kind of setup, take mesh bow, no. It's supposed to be 2D sprite, and just create it, but seems like it's not available. Okay. Right. Image pivot. Can I change pivot? No, doesn't matter. Just have to be about image here. Image, image. Just how to change the size of a UI image from code. Shit, I don't want to touch this transform. Image by leg. Image by dot leg. Rectangle. Transform. No, they always want me to adjust the transform. It's no good. Angle UI image. What it is? Change UI image. Okay, no. Okay. This is a texture. Copy. Let's try. Pass here. Shit. They pass the whole copy of that sprite. Ut adjust sprite pivot. How about that? Change pivot. How to adjust pivot? Point for sprite. Result. No, sprite editor. No. In the code, please. Oh shit. Okay. Not a good idea. So, hi there. What's up? This is really peaceful. Cool. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoy it. Enjoy the show. Yeah, I need peaceful as well. Peace out. Happy to hear that. I just want to connect myself to the real time. That's it. Because I can get lost really easy. All right. What did I do? Okay. All right. Right. Let's restart. Okay. Just read that. Okay. So character image. Okay. Thank you very much. I try. I try doing. I do my best. Try to figure it out. And I wish I see more like me doing this, so I can go and say hi to them and maybe exchange something, some technique, so I don't have to Google it. Solo. This how Leo solo depth like this how Leo light solo depth is. It's not like what you think. It's struggling. Solo depth is suffering. Art is pain. Okay. Player controller. Okay, cool. Okay, let's start that. This is this is real life, reality. Expectation vs reality. Not many people know it. Solo dev is not easy. First, you have nothing to reference yourself. At least you have some cat on your table, and that can be a mess up as well. If you open music on the background, at some point it's gonna get thing annoying when you try to think deeper. The best thing I can do before I make it live is to open a movie. It feels like people walking by, something like that. is what it takes. Alright, I probably have to worry about this head later. Let's get all the information right first. So first, description down here need to be the description of the is that. And if you don't select anything, no, you have to select one. Okay, so maybe default at the strength attribute here. Let me see the example in Elden Ring. Elden Ring. That's all we want to be like. Okay. Right. Interesting. Okay. On my interface. What's that? Yeah, of course. Elden Ring. Many games though, but the most recent one is Elden Ring. That I'm very inspired. I played it last year, and I played 2 rounds, 2 times. The first time I played using great sword, and the second time I played using rapier. And now I kinda like rapier more. Yeah, it had only one difficulty, so good luck. And they're gonna have DLC soon. I saw the image of it. Yeah, yeah. If you follow the Elder Rings, uh, how they make it, you're gonna got good stuff there. So you have to follow the right thing, right path. I'll make it so like I'm not making it like a normal RPG. I'll make it every movement has a meaning. Yeah, like you miss one step and then you die. DLC is coming though. I saw the image of the Elden Ring they post. It looked like a Michaela riding a horse in the big field. It's like a graveyard, and it's the L3 as well. L3, L3 there. Let me double check that image. I wanna say Elden Ring DLC. Yeah, Shadow of the L3 DLC. And the L3 is not look really good at that in this picture. Something happened with that. Maybe after the that we destroy the what does it call Elden Beast, and then it's gonna be story after that, and it's gonna be a story about Michaela. Yes, no doubt that the Michaela riding on the what's it called the horse, the horse Then we got torrent, torrent, torrent. Yeah, torrent. You're gonna learn more about that. About Michaela's story. He in the slumber right now. So my game is gonna do the same thing. I have daylight system as well. As you see here, I speed up the time. So I have daylight system here. I'm gonna make it small game, but more meaningful. That's why I should so lifestyle. And right now I just work on interface first. Well, thanks. My game is not done yet. I try to get the most done this year, and I wanna polish it next year. So interface, I'm almost done. And DLC, I don't know when it's gonna come out. They're doing DLC, Shadow of the L3 release date. It's on late 2023 or early 2024. So about at the end of the year or at the beginning of it. But before that, I'm gonna play Lies of P. So like game like a Bloodborne from Korea. Another one is Lord of Fallen. Yeah, on Steam. Lies of P good. Have you tried demo? They have free demo. It's good. I already tried. I already tried. Yeah, my game on Steam. I'm gonna make it PC and Mac. How about Linux? Anyone use Linux playing video game? Maybe I'll make it. I don't have any Linux, that's why I can't export it. I can make it Mac, Windows. If I have some kind of Linux, I probably have to borrow someone computer that have Linux on it and export it. Yeah, yeah, it's free. Try it. It's free. It's still available, I guess, on Steam. And it's gonna come out on September 19th. Try it. It's not easy though. Try it. It took me like 10 hours or something to finish the demo. Just demo. I thought it's a full game. Oh, inspire me, right? Gonna be really inspire me. Gonna be uh, inspire me the most. Yeah, 10 hours. I thought I I thought I got the full game. Like they make a mistake and accidentally release the full game instead of demo. Why I play so long and still not done yet? I thought it's a full game, but it's not. But my favorite game always Ragnarok Online, if you know it. I love Ragnarok Online, but Ragnarok Online doesn't love me back. Yeah, all it's a MMORPG, right? And not many MMORPG are successful nowadays. No, it's old game. I don't think you're gonna like it. Not many people play. Yeah, and what make it fail? You know what? Is a bot and cheating a lot, something like that. Rune escape. Ooh. If there is no bot, no cheating, like a lot online or online or other MMORPG like Lineage, something like that, it's gonna be good games, and I'm gonna still playing it. But they can't handle it. I like the idea of the game, but it's hard to handle many multiplayer. Yeah, that made it that made it the end of the game. That's why. But the system is good, everything. But they never know that people like cheating. They think all people are gonna be more good people than bad people. In reality, now I see in the online game, maybe good players are more. There are more good players, but bad player is more than to handle it. So that's the end of the MMORPG. And I have never seen any MMORPG last long. No. So I'm back to play solo game. Elden Ring. Burst. Okay. Here, Lies of P. Here, download demo. Yeah, it's available now. My game it my game is actually look like Ragnarok though. Ragnarok online. Yeah, you're welcome. Enjoy. Enjoy your 10 hours. Lots of pay. You have three cards to select. Okay, I don't want to spoil anymore. Right, I think have to start to put some info in the stat now. I have a stat master that store all the type of the stat. And is that gonna have their description? Have its description of it. So I can see it. Okay. Stat master here. Base stat there. And then I'm gonna add description in here. Let's use text box like a item, scriptable item. I use what text area. Yeah. Enjoy life of P. I thought at that day I thought I'm gonna spend like a couple hours pay, and then no, 2 days in a row. Okay, first day I pay like 2-3 hours and not done yet, and then another day on the weekend, whole day I pray. Yeah, and I don't want to spoil anymore. Let you experience it. Alright, let's add description here. And I'm gonna show description in the setup info. That means I have to grab. Okay, I already have it. Alright, you're welcome. Yeah, I keep asking myself if this is a demo or not. But I confirm you it's a demo. I never play any demo this long. It's like the whole game. You can sell that. 10 hours game you can sell it. At least player play more than 2 hours, they're not gonna refund it. At least your game need to be 2 hours or longer. You can sell that 10 hours game. Exactly, actually. Crazy, and it's a demo. I play uh, Resident Evil 4 remake demo. It's just a couple hours, 1 hour, 2 hours, about that. So I expected the same thing, but turns out it's not. That's so funny. PT, the Silent Hill game. Oh, okay. Oh, really? It never released? I know Silent Hill. I see. PT. They have a problem or something. Okay, I see. By Kojima Production. I think they're working on it as well. Publish it by Konami. I see. I think they're gonna remake it by Kojima company now, not Konami. They he opened a indie studio, but it's not a small indie. They have a lot of budget. He's got a lot of budget. Make uh, the last game they make. What does it call again? Standing something. Kojima Production. They're standing. They're stranding. Yeah, they're stranding. Just one game now. Don't know what is the next one yet. Oh, they're stranding too. Yeah, they're standing too. And probably PT too. They developed by Kojima Production anyway. And now they cancel it. Now it's gonna be Kojima product, not Konami anymore. And they already have a trailer for Death Standing too. Damn. And he still keeps saying that his company is an indie company, but consider his budget is not is like a triple A company. Okay, they only have one game right now. They have all the talents there. Okay, so I'm gonna try making status selection and then show the description of it. Okay, right now I have this one. Strength. So comparing my experience with Kojima is like shit. he was in the economy for 30 years, and plus his company is about 5 years something. 2015 founded Loppungi Tokyo. So 30 years plus 8 years. So almost 40 years experience in game industry. And I'm just getting started. But for indie game though, for me it's okay. For indie game, we only need about, I saw some solid indie game, they take about 4 years. And mine is about couple year now. I'm gonna try to find a way to increase the progress. Hopefully AI can help me. But there's a lot of issue right now. It's not settled yet. License, a lot of license issue. You have to own your own data in order to train it. Damn, how can you own all that data? You have to create all data, then you don't have to create AI anymore because I think it's harder than making AI to find data. AI generated art, and now if you use data from someone, you're gonna go to the jail. You're gonna be sued. So imagine if you have to create your own data. So what's the point to make AI? You already go to all the data. You should have idea about it already. For me, when I go through all the data, then I got an idea to do something already. I don't have to ask AI. Yeah, something it doesn't make sense, right? We use AI because we don't want to deal with data. But if you have to own your own data to create an AI, then good luck. So I just back to my own data. All right, that's funny, and it's not done yet. It's not settled down yet. Oh, chill. I saw some indie game they use AI and then they got license issue. Like fuck now. All the time you spend developing. So I don't want to take a risk like that. So let they do what they want. Maybe it's too early to use AI. Yeah, it's true. They make it, they sell it on Steam, and then they got an issue. Yeah, they won't approve it. And wall ban AI generated, rejecting game that use AI art. There you go. Imagine you make it couple year and then you got rejected. Yeah, good luck. Yeah, I'm gonna stick with game asset. Game asset that they sell with license. Yesterday I just bought a new font. Yesterday I just bought new font from the game asset with license for $5. Yeah, you should um, like support all the graphic designer artists. We should support each other. Yeah, $5. You wanna say it? I'll show you here. Okay, give me a sec. Set tech state dot view string dot description. Yeah, just give me a sec. Give me a minute. All right. So that all there. All right. Let me recompile it. So I bought a tech. Before that, I used a free font that they available online. I downloaded it. But who knows if in the future they're gonna put the license on it. So I don't want to deal with that in the future. Okay, it's now it's free, but who knows? So I just bought a new one. Here. Okay, opening. They have many style of font. Some come with a pack here. For example, here the text. All the text that you see here is a font that I bought yesterday. At the footer, everything, I use the same font. And include the number as well. All the number is from that font. You see that number is kind of gaming in it. Okay, this one I haven't changed it yet. There's some from my own font haven't changed yet. It's supposed to be one like this, just dash, no attention, sand something. And I only have one font in my game. Someone they sell it with a pack, come with many fonts, and they sell it like $20, 15, but you got many, maybe 100 or maybe 50 fonts style. Some I saw some font style is really good for horror game. When you read it, you feel uncomfortable, no stable. If I'm gonna make a horror game, I'm gonna buy that font. But this one is kind of simple, easy to read. Yeah, even in description. And in description, I copied from Elden Ring just to see if I have the more more text and it's overflow, how it's gonna look like. So I copied from Elden Ring. Yeah, this one. Copy that info here, put it here, and it's good. This font give me more space as well. I like that. Now I have more space. Before that, in the item info here, I only have 6 lines of it. Right now I have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 about that. More space, good spacing. And it's come with license, so I don't have to worry in the future. Yeah, okay. I'm happy you like it. I think this one is really simple. Yeah, even number one here is like a just dash in vertical. That's it. This is an inventory. You can organize your item and equip depend on the type of equipment. This one is red sword. You can put in just main hand. This one you can put it on sub hand as well if you want to use. Okay, just show off a little bit. All right, and this one is the last page. Last page that I'm gonna working on is status. I have inventory, crafting. You can recycling as well. Okay, I think I should put something in crafting. It's empty now. and I haven't designed the empty page yet. Yeah, it's gonna take time, but I have to manage it carefully. Manage time carefully. If you don't manage it, it's gonna take time for sure. But I'm trying to wrap it up. I don't want to waste my experience playing a lot of game. Now I'm gonna use them. So basically, have to keep it simple. That's it. For both player and dev. Yeah, crafting and not just crafting though. I have recycling as well. I'm gonna show you right here. Now I don't have any item, right? Okay, I'm gonna add some crafting item. When you recycling, you get some material back. How about that? If you get some item and you don't like it, you just recycling it. So let's say I have, okay, let's put more some material there. Okay, right here, crafting, right? There we go. This is a green potion, and every time you craft it, you get 1 egg, and you need, that's a requirement. If it red number, it mean you don't have enough. And the good thing is you can recycling it. Switch mode. You can get 1 bottle back and 1 powder. That's just, I'm just testing, not the final design. And if you double click in the recycling mode, right? Double click to recycling or craft. There you go. This becomes 0. You lost your green potion, but you get empty bottle and green powder back in here. And you lost your potion. This is a recycling, crafting and recycling. You can switch between that. Yeah. And this idea I got from a guy in a chat, like I'm chatting to you right here. He said, why not have a recycling, something like that. So I just put it right there. I agree. Yeah, and it makes sense for me. Sometimes you got something you don't use it. Sometimes you got a green potion to cure your poison, but you're not in the poison. You're not poisoned yet, and you're not in the environment that have a poison at all. So it's useless. You have to adapt to your situation in the game. I'm gonna make it surviving mode. Yeah, I'll try to make using Elden Ring and Resident Evil together. So first, in fighting, every movement is count, and in environment, everything, every item, you have to manage it. Yeah, not easy to fight. I think. Yeah, in Resident Evil, you have to manage your item, right? Yeah, I'm put that vibe in that game, in my game as well. That's why I have recycling. That's why you have to think about it a little bit before you move on. Maybe you have to manage your item. But I don't have like I don't have limited slot for item like Resident Evil, but I have weight limit instead. I have weight limit instead. Now you have to think carefully about item you're gonna hold or recycling it. Yeah, I'm gonna put that. I like I like the situation like that, like a zombie situation. Not much in Resident Evil 4 remake though, but in Resident Evil 2 and 3, yeah, you feel it. 4 kind of action, yeah. It's not like it doesn't make sense if you have unlimited items like that. That's why I'm gonna put it. I made a new world for you guys to enjoy when you get bored of real world. I made it like a real world inside there. Have a daylight system. Have something to fight, to survive, to move on, to escape, to buy, to sell. Yeah, I have all that. All right. Let's start to put description here. That means I need to create a new script. Yeah, I'll try to speed up. That's why I try to do the boring and takes time first. All the data, all the interface, all the item, all status, all the number. I try to do it first. Then I can be like a downhill. So it's gonna slow at the beginning. But I don't have to look back. Then I just enjoy doing animation and level design and story. That's it. Story is another thing. We need some switch moment. Back to the beginning. No, that's too awful. We need developing in character. So you need to feel stronger every time. That's what I need in RPG. Not like some game I play is RPG. You have that, but you never feel like you get stronger at all. So mine gonna make you feel like you're struggling at the beginning and then you get better. Oh really? It's hard though. How can you write a story? That's good. Are you gonna sell it? Oh yeah, yeah. It's a good idea. Oh, I think no, you can't sell it on store. Or people or everyone gonna have the same story. Even though it come with license, then everyone gonna have the same story. But it's a good idea if you sell it like kinda not the whole story, but the structure or idea, the pattern, and if the developer can change something about that, you might try to sell it. I think they're allowed to sell everything on the game asset. But you sell the book already, right? Yeah. There's a many platform you sell. You sell on everything. Amazon. What else? In the little. Yeah, but you might considering sell the game game story structure on the game asset store. Yeah, maybe you have an idea. No one made it before though. Like you don't have to make the whole story. Maybe you just make a structure for us, and then I can think the detail myself. I don't know how to begin. I don't know how to end. I don't know how to switch story. Maybe you sell the structure with license, so everyone can use this structure legally, but the story is different. Yeah, I have no idea at all. I have to research how to make a story myself, and no one sell it. And if you're gonna sell it, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be kind of quality. Then I search it myself, right? So sorry, I just keep it right now. Don't start it yet. I just build all the like a material first, and probably build all the location first. And story, I put that the last thing. We need location first, and see what kind of story will fit this location. So I'm probably gonna focus on location and make it good for fighting or finding item and find a story that fit in location. I need item first and then location, and then okay, I need monster first and then build location, and then I must select monster later that I already built, or item later, hide it somewhere. But story, yeah, gonna be another thing. Quest, side quest, something like that. Yeah, you might consider doing that. I'm gonna check it right now if anyone do something like that or not. You see that people sell text, right? Like that. They sell sound effect as well. A lot of sound here. Water, rain, door open, door close. Okay, let me see story search. Story 3 pack. Oh no, it's not. Horror story, what's that? Game music, okay. Yeah, I don't think many people, no, I haven't seen yet. I haven't seen yet. You can be the first one to do it. So, game story structure kind of give us an idea because we indeed have no idea about structure because we didn't go to school or we didn't write a book before. I have to do research, but you just sell it, your knowledge. And you can't sell me like $2 something. They have a dialogue system, something like that. So storyteller, dialogue, interaction. No, it's all the UI interface. If they can sell music, why not sell story? They have music a lot here. Story system. No. This one just how you link the story. Okay. Yeah. Nobody sell it. I have to research myself. I'm gonna begin with what? I don't even know how to begin it. Begin with the main character sleeping at home. That's it. And wake up in the morning. Screenwriter. Whoa. Okay. Okay. It's just all the interface. Piano music. There you go. Good start. Or make it epic in the beginning. Make it epic from the beginning. And then reset story 1 month later. Yeah. Okay. I need to know my location first. So that's why I need to build level first. Okay. Seems like I need to make a new script now to show a description of the status. So right now I just have to be headed with all the stat first, not story. Yeah, that's why I need to get all this done first though, so I can have more time to think about story. So what I whatever I can like predict or control the time when it's gonna be done, I'm gonna do it first. Like item or data status. Yeah, um I can like can expect the time to make it. But story is kind of flexible. Keep it the last thing. Too flexible, I can't predict it. Can't expect. Yeah. So let's all what I know exactly first. So create a selection script for that. Selection. Now you can select all those attributes. That means I need controller here. I already have controller. And video game, we don't need much story. If you if you think about game, we don't have much story. We have main story and some story side quest. That's it. So it's not gonna be like series, you know. Like Elden Ring, main story is to what? To destroy the L3, and that's it. Not many things. And then let people, player, walking around, attack animal. So we don't have many story. We have just, yeah, not much. Focus on the gameplay. Gameplay is king. They said. Alright, selection. Let's see. Yeah, it's a simple story. Yeah, you see, Elden Ring is very simple, but it's written by the guy that write the Game of Thrones story. Damn. What is his name again? Game of Thrones writer, director. Right. It should be writer then. Yeah, writer. George R. Martin. George R. Martin write Elden Ring story. And some players said, no, George R. Martin, don't do this. Don't do this to some character in game. It's quite a tragedy, right? Tragedy. Yeah, he put some tragedy in Elden Ring, and he said, "Don't do this." Yeah, that's a quest that a girl that in front of the castle, waiting for her dad, defending the castle, and she gonna die anyway. I try anyway, many ways, try to save her, but she died anyway. That's sad. He already he already make another one, the House of Dragon. Have you watched it? House of Dragon, right? I already watched House of Dragon. Yeah, House of the Dragon. Yeah, it's good. Try it. Yeah, the name. The name is House of the Dragon. It's good. I think it's uh straightforward, more straightforward than Game of Thrones. I don't feel bored. I didn't feel bored watching House of Dragon. Sometimes I watch Game of Thrones and I feel bored. But House of Dragon kinda straightforward, really fast paced. I didn't feel bored though. It's very good. Yeah, I recommend. Right, really to the point, and sometimes time is passed very quick. You can see the main character. She start from when she was young, and then so they have two characters for the main character. One is when she was young, and one when she was grown. And it's not end yet. Been waiting for the next season. Yeah, just one season now, and it's very good. If you like Game of Thrones, yeah, it's not bored like Game of Thrones. Game of Thrones sometimes it take too long. Sorry, but House of Dragon is very straightforward. Maybe he got some idea after he made a story from Elden Ring. Elden Ring is straightforward as well. We focus on gameplay. Yeah, I'm waiting for the second season now. At first, I just try. At first, I just try what is the House of Dragon and by the same writer with the Game of Thrones. And after I play Elden Ring, so I try to watch it just to try, not want to continue. But then I just watch it every day, not knowing myself. I already finished all the season. I was just addicted to it. Can't stop watching. It's a trap. So watch out. This is a trap. You can't stop watching because it's straightforward as well, not boring. Fast paced. You see, in one season, and then one character grew up, and they used two characters to two actors, two actors, actress for the main character in one season. In Game of Thrones, they just use one actor, and they go by themselves in real world. They grew by themselves in real world. So it takes so long for the story. But House of Dragon is very straightforward. That's why they use two actresses for main character. Right, makes sense. But Game of Thrones, that's a real age, right? Yeah, so I can't guarantee that. No boring. Yeah, and first time I watched, I just wanna try, and then non-stop, non-stop. House of the Dragon. Can't wait. So this is a trap. time is it now? I think I'm gonna end stream soon because I want to adjust my time limit. I want to come early. Yeah, I want to come early. If I don't finish now, it's gonna I can't come early next time. So I'm gonna finish soon. Adjust the time. Alright, I think that's it. I'm gonna continue next time. So I'm still working on status page. It's the last page, but a lot of info here. Involved with all the character info as well. Yeah, all the stat. I done calculation. I already done all calculation here. Now I have to calculate some level XP here and put all the info of stat there. So next time I'm gonna make it selectable and show the info here. And I'm gonna be headed a lot of XP because I need to find the calculation for each level. How many XP required? I need a calculation for it because I'm not gonna manual put number in it one by one because level gonna max as 500 something. So you can't manually put number. You need a calculation to calculate for it, and you have to think about that, like in many aspects. What type of enemy and how many enemy, what level of enemy, what XP you're gonna get from it, and how fast you're gonna level up, something like that. Yeah, okay. So that's it for today. Yeah, but let's make it selectable first. Show some description, and maybe I'm thinking about it along the way. Alright, that's it. Hope you enjoy. Hope you enjoy it. Oh, okay. I'm happy to hear that. I try to be more entertained. Okay, I try to improve my speaking skill as well. If I don't make it live, I'm not gonna speak at all. This is how I keep myself talking. And if I can improve my speaking, would be great. Maybe I can find a new job. Alright, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you again next time. Have a good one. Bye now. Peace.